Hey guys, what is going on? It is me, fcradius, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can play OG Fortnite and join games in old Fortnite seasons. This video is going to be a short video, so make sure you watch the full entire thing. But without further ado, let's get to the video. So basically what you guys want to do is go into the link of the description, and it will take you to the Nova Discord official server, which is right here. Once you guys are in the Nova official server, guys, go into the download channel, and before downloading everything, I recommend you turn off antivirus. So simply search up antivirus on your computer and then press open. Then you just want to press manage setting and then turn off real-time protection. A prompt will come up saying, do you want to allow this device to make changes? And then you just press yes. And then once your real-time protection is off, you can proceed with the download. Also, you guys can turn it right back on when you guys are done playing with Nova. But I'm going to show you guys that this actually works. So what you guys want to do next is you want to go onto the Nova installer, which is right here, and then just press continue to download. It will take you to a setup like this, and then just press save, and then open up the download. And then another prompt will come up, then press yes, and then you guys will open up the download, which is right here. Once it is downloaded, it will open up the Nova official launcher. Once you guys finish downloading it, it should pop up a launcher which is like this, and you guys should see into the downloads channel. And then basically what you guys want to do is just install this build 7.40. Once you guys install build 7.40, it's gonna take a long time depending on your computer speed, but there should be an install button. I already have it installed, so I can't show you guys, but just install it. And then once you guys, it should be 41 gigabytes. So install the entire thing, and then once you guys have it installed, you guys want to go onto the Nova's Discord server and then go onto bot commands. You may need to do this before you have the launcher. If it came up with a prompt saying that you need a login, what you want to do is go on /create, and then basically what you guys want to do is type in a valid email, a valid username, and a password which you will remember. Make sure not to forget these credentials, because it's going to ask you when you open up the launcher to log into this account, and then you guys can actually play Nova. So what you guys want to do is just put in an email. So I'm just going to use this email, for example. And then what you guys want to do is put in a username. So I'm just going to do radius YT, and then I'm just going to put in a password. I already have a email registered with this account, so it's just going to say I already have one. So as you guys can see, it's just going to say you already have an account, but it should say something like this: successfully created an account under your username. And then once you guys have done that, you guys should be able to log into the Nova launcher. And then you guys want to go, once you have the build 7.40 installed, you guys want to head over to the home and then just press launch. And then just wait for it to launch chapter 1 season 7. So yeah, as you guys can see, this is the official loading screen of season 7. If you guys remember, this is definitely OG Fortnite season 7. So as you guys can see, this did work very well. So as you can see, you guys want to go onto the battle royale, which is the 100 player PvP. So just click the battle royale 100 player PvP. And then the first thing I'm gonna personally do is just go into the settings and turn off this music. So music volume to 0, and then once you have your music turned off, you guys don't have to do that, but that's just me personally. You guys want to head over into your settings, and then what you guys want to do is you guys just want to go on to the matchmaking region. I'm in NA East, but make sure you're on the correct server. For example, there is Nova NA West, EU, Oceania, and then there's Brazil, Asia, Middle East, Africa, and then I don't recommend going on auto. Just choose a correct matchmaking region so you guys can load into the games with other people and have good ping so you're not lagging. Another thing I recommend doing is changing your keybinds to whatever you want. These are my personally keybinds. You guys don't have to use them, but I just like using them. And then what you guys want to do is you guys can go onto your locker, and then as you guys can see, we basically got every single skin in chapter 7, which has been released yet. You're not going to have every single skin just because since it's season 7, there's skins that haven't been released yet, but these are all the skins that have been released up to season 7. As you can see with the Black Knight, we have all these skins, and another rare skin that we can probably find is Renegade Raider. We also have John Wick, we have Galaxy, and then we have the Gold Trooper. I don't think we have the styles for Gold Trooper. We just have the regular Gold Trooper because the pink style hasn't been released yet. for Gold Trooper. We have the Aerial Assault Trooper, and then of course I think the Renegade Raider should be in here. As you can see, we have the Renegade Raider OG style, so we're gonna wear that. And then you guys can also pick up back bling if you guys want to, and then pickaxe, and then there's all the OG emotes that you can possibly think of. It's absolutely crazy. Not only that, guys, but I'm gonna show you guys how to load into a game. So if you guys want, you guys can add your friends and it will work. So you guys can add your friends if you want, and then you can play games with them as well. If you guys go into the Discord server of Nova, you guys can go into the server uptime, and then these are matchmaking codes for late game. So for example, for NA East late game, all you have to do is copy this and then go into Fortnite and then to custom options and then paste it, and then do solos and then accept and then press play. It should work. Some of these don't always work all the time, but as you can see, queued players are 15. So, and then once it does load in, you guys should be able to play the late game for Nova. And then also you guys can play regular games as well if you guys want. So as you can see, we successfully loaded into a actual game through these Nova Fortnite dev. And as you can see, the Renegade Raider skin does work, and as you can see, we can see everybody else in the game as well, and we can build, we can use mats. It's late game, and this is probably one of the best game modes out right now. So I'm just gonna run up some late game and show you guys some gameplay. Alright, so as you can see, this is late game in Fortnite, so we're gonna run up some gameplay. Okay guys, so yeah, we literally just got aimbotted in this game, but yeah, it is still pretty fun. So yeah, that's gonna be the end of today's video. Hopefully you guys did enjoy. If you guys want more videos like this, especially older seasons, I usually don't do older seasons for Fortnite dev, but if you guys want more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe and comment something that just saying that you enjoyed this video. It would help and make my day a lot. So I'll see you guys in the next one. This has been your boy Radius, also known as FC Radius, and I'll see you. Goodbye. Peace.